everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast Studio, the place where learning English feels simple and enjoyable. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy to have you with us today.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels great to be back again. I hope everyone is having a good day so far.
I hope so too. Paul, it's always nice to start a new episode with you. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good. Thank you for asking. I feel active, fresh, and ready to talk about English.
That sounds great. Feeling fresh makes everything easier. Did you get a good night's sleep?
Yes, I did. I went to bed a bit early, and that really helped. Good sleep gives you more energy. How about you, Emily?
I'm doing well, thanks. I went for a short walk this morning. The weather was nice, and it helped me feel calm and focused.
A morning walk is a wonderful way to start the day. It helps both the body and the mind.
Exactly. And talking about starting the day, today's episode has a very useful topic for everyone learning English.
Oh, that sounds interesting already. What is today's topic?
Today, we're going to talk about daily routines.
Daily routines. That's something everyone has. The things we do again and again every day.
Yes, things like waking up, having breakfast, going to work or school, and relaxing in the evening.
This is a great topic because these words are used in daily conversations all the time.
That's right. If you want to speak English better, talking about your routine is a very good practice.
Before we begin, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our episodes, please subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And don't forget to like this episode. That small click helps us a lot.
Also, please share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Learning together makes the journey easier and more fun.
Thank you so much. All right, Paul, are you ready to begin?
I'm ready.
Great. Today, we're going to listen to a story about a woman named Nora.
Nora. Okay. Who is she?
Nora is a working professional, and she's going to describe what a normal day in her life looks like.
That sounds interesting. Listening to real routines really helps with understanding.
Exactly. While listening, don't worry about every single word. Just relax and focus on the main idea.
Yes, just listen and enjoy the story.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Hi everyone, my name's Nora and I'm 34 years old. I work as an office coordinator and I live in a quiet neighborhood with my family. Today, I'd like to share what a usual day in my life is like. I normally wake up at around 6 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I turn it off and lie in bed for a minute or two. Then I stretch my arms and legs to help my body wake up. After that, I get out of bed and head to the bathroom. I take a quick shower to feel fresh, then I get dressed for work. I prefer clothes that are neat but comfortable because I move around a lot during the day. Once I'm ready, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. For breakfast, I usually have a cup of coffee, some fruit, and toast or cereal. While eating, I check my phone to read messages and look at the news. This helps me know what's happening before I leave home. After breakfast, I pack my bag. I put my notebook, documents, wallet, and sometimes my laptop inside. When everything is ready, I leave the house at about 7:20 in the morning. I drive to work, and it usually takes me around 25 minutes to reach the office. I like listening to music during the drive because it helps me relax before work starts. I arrive at work a little early so I can organize my desk and check my schedule. My workday officially starts at 8:30. During the morning, I handle emails, answer phone calls, and help my coworkers with different tasks. Every day is a bit different, which keeps my job interesting. Around midday, I take a lunch break. I usually bring food from home, like rice, vegetables, or pasta. Sometimes I eat with my coworkers, and we talk about our day. After lunch, I take a short walk or just sit quietly to rest. In the afternoon, I continue working on reports and planning tasks for the next day. I finish work at about 4:45 in the evening. Once I leave the office, I drive back home. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and relax for a while. Sometimes I listen to music, and sometimes I just sit quietly and rest. In the evening, I help prepare dinner, and we usually eat together around 7:30. After dinner, I clean up, prepare things for the next day, or read a book. Before going to bed, I take a shower and watch a little TV. I usually go to sleep by 10:30 because I need enough rest for the next day. That's what a normal day looks like for me.
Wow, Nora has a very organized and busy routine.
Yes, she does. It sounds like she manages her time very well.
All right, now that we've listened to Nora's story, let's go back and look at some of the English words and phrases she used.
Yes, this is the best part for learning. When you understand the words, everything becomes clearer.
Exactly. Let's start from the beginning. Nora said, I normally wake up at around 6 o'clock in the morning.
That's a very common sentence. Notice the phrase, wake up.
Yes, wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
But waking up doesn't always mean leaving the bed.
That's right, and Nora explained that well. She said she turns off her alarm and stays in bed for a short time.
Then she said she stretches her arms and legs.
To stretch means to move your body to make it feel active and relaxed.
I stretch every morning. It helps my body feel ready for the day.
Same here. Then Nora said she gets out of bed.
This is important. Wake up and get out of bed are different actions.
Yes, wake up is mental. Get out of bed is physical.
Next, she said she goes to the bathroom and takes a quick shower.
A quick shower means a short shower, not a long one.
Maybe 5 minutes, not 20.
Exactly. Then she said she gets dressed.
This is a very natural phrase. Instead of saying, I put on my clothes, we usually say, I get dressed.
Yes, English speakers use this phrase all the time.
Nora also mentioned she likes clothes that are neat but comfortable.
That's useful vocabulary. Neat means clean and tidy.
And comfortable means you feel good wearing them.
Then she talked about breakfast. She said she has coffee, fruit, and toast or cereal.
I like that she said, have coffee, not drink coffee.
That's an important point. In English, we often use have for food and drinks.
Have breakfast. Have lunch. Have tea.
Yes, it sounds more natural.
She also said that while eating, she checks her phone.
To check means to look at something for information.
Everyone checks their phone in the morning these days.
That's true. It's part of many people's routine.
After that, she said she packs her bag.
The word pack means to put things inside a bag or suitcase.
We pack bags for work, school, or travel.
Yes, Nora packed her notebook, documents, and laptop.
Then she said she leaves the house at about 7:20.
That's another common phrase, leave home or leave the house.
Next comes a very useful time expression. She said, it usually takes me around 25 minutes to reach the office.
This phrase is extremely important. It takes me is used to talk about time duration.
For example, it takes me 10 minutes to walk to the store.
Exactly. Paul, how long does it take you to get here?
It takes me about 30 minutes by bus.
Perfect example. Then Nora said she listens to music while driving. That shows how we use while to talk about two actions happening at the same time.
Yes, I listen to podcasts while cooking.
Good example. When she arrives at work, she said she organizes her desk.
To organize means to put things in order. It helps you work better.
Then she talked about her workday. She mentioned emails, phone calls, and helping coworkers.
The word coworkers means people you work with.
Yes, not friends or family, but people from your job.
She also said every day is a bit different.
That's a nice phrase. A bit different means not exactly the same.
Next comes lunchtime. She said she takes a lunch break.
To take a break means to stop working for a short time.
Very common phrase in work English.
She also said she brings food from home.
That's useful vocabulary and also a good habit.
Yes, it saves money and can be healthier.
After lunch, she said she takes a short walk or rests quietly.
This shows how people relax during the day.
Then she talked about the afternoon. She said she works on reports and planning.
To plan means to think about the future and prepare.
She finishes work at 4:45 and goes back home.
Then she said, "When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes."
Change into means remove one set of clothes and wear another.
Yes, usually work clothes to home clothes.
My favorite part of the day.
Mine too. She then relaxes, listens to music, or rests.
After that comes dinner. She said they eat together.
Eating together is a nice family habit.
After dinner, she prepares for the next day or reads a book.
Then she talked about bedtime. She takes a shower and watches some TV.
Finally, she said she goes to sleep by 10:30.
Because she needs enough rest.
And then the routine starts again the next day.
That's the beauty of daily routines, simple, repeated actions.
Now that we've explained the key words and phrases, it's time to listen to Nora's routine one more time.
Yes, this second listening is very important.
Absolutely. The first time you listen for general meaning. The second time you notice details.
This helps your brain connect the words with the meaning.
So, listeners, relax again. Don't rush. Just listen carefully.
Try to notice phrases like wake up, get dressed, pack my bag, and it takes me.
All right, let's hear Nora's routine again.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Hello again, everyone. This is Nora. Let me tell you once more about a normal day in my life. Most mornings, I wake up at around 6. When the alarm goes off, I turn it off and stay in bed for a short moment. I stretch my body to feel active, then I stand up and go to the bathroom. I take a fast shower and get ready for work. I choose clothes that look neat but also feel easy to wear. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually have coffee, fruit, and something simple like toast or cereal. While I eat, I look at my phone to read messages and check the news. This helps me feel prepared for the day. When breakfast is finished, I pack my bag with the things I need, such as papers, a notebook, and sometimes my laptop. I leave home at about 20 past 7. I drive to work, and the trip usually takes about 25 minutes. During the drive, I listen to music because it helps me stay calm and positive. I arrive at the office before work starts so I can organize my desk and review my tasks. My job begins at 8:30. In the morning, I answer emails, take phone calls, and help my coworkers. At lunchtime, I take a break and eat the food I brought from home.
Sometimes I sit with colleagues and talk. Other times I enjoy quiet time. In the afternoon, I continue working, plan future tasks, and finish reports. I leave work in the late afternoon and head back home. At home, I change into comfortable clothes and rest. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. Later, I prepare for the next day, read, or relax. Before sleeping, I take a shower and watch a little television. I usually go to bed by 10:30, so I can wake up early the next day. That's my everyday routine.
Was excellent. Everything feels much clearer the second time.
Yes, repetition really helps. Did you notice how familiar the words sounded?
That's the goal. When words feel familiar, speaking becomes easier.
Exactly. Now let's talk directly to our listeners.
Listeners, think about your own daily routine.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
Do you wake up early or do you sleep late?
What do you usually have for breakfast?
Do you drink coffee, tea, or milk?
How do you go to work or school?
And how long does it take you to get there?
Try to answer these questions in English.
Even simple sentences are great practice.
For example, you can say, I wake up at 7.
Or, it takes me 20 minutes to go to work.
You don't need long sentences. Clear sentences are enough.
Yes, small steps lead to big improvement.
We would love to hear from you.
Please write a comment below and tell us about your routine.
Share what you do in the morning, afternoon, or evening.
And don't worry about mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you get.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast Studio.
And don't forget to like and share this episode.
Sharing helps other learners find useful content.
We are really proud of you for learning English and improving every day.
Yes, keep going. You're doing an amazing job.
That brings us to the end of today's episode.
Time goes fast when we are learning together.
Thank you so much for listening.
We'll see you again very soon.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.